The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for Calhoun County, southwestern Greene County, western Jersey County, east central Lincoln County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Winfield and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing a tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Significant house and building damage is possible. Mobile homes will be completely destroyed if hit. Some trees may be uprooted or snapped. Vehicles will likely be thrown by tornadic winds. Locations impacted include Beachville, Batchtown, Meppen, Nutwood, Fielden, and Otterville. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Calhoun, Greene and Jersey, and Lincoln County, Missouri. The following is a summary of what